First, assemble the model. Wrap double-sided tape around the model. Remove the pink gauze. Use a plastic needle to poke one end into the back zipper. And then start wrapping around the body. Reduce excess fabric. Stick the tail end together with glue. Adjusting the hemline. Remove the blue strip of gauze. Also, poke one end into the zipper at the back. And then start wrapping around the body. Cut off excess fabric. Apply adhesive to the tail. Stick the gauze properly. Apply glue to the left and right ends of the skirt. Take out the long starry sky gauze. Also, poke a piece of gauze into the zipper at the back. Then follow the previous method and start winding along the body. Cut off excess fabric. Stick adhesive on the tail end to fix it in place. Adjusting the hemline. Thread the ribbon through the needle and tie a knot at the back. Take out a long strip of blue gauze. Start wearing it one before and one after. Then put on the pink gauze in the same way. Just wear it one pink and one blue repeatedly. That's what it looks like when you're dressed up. Adjusting the hemline. Then stick the skirt to the model's waist. Stick firmly with glue. Apply a bead of glue to the waist. Take out the large starry sky mesh and stick it on. Find the blue ribbon and apply glue. Fix it to the waist position. Cut off excess parts. Apply a bead of glue on the ribbon. Stick the diamond chain on. Take out the diamond chain to make a shoulder strap. First, measure the length. Cut off excess parts. Stick the diamond chain on. Cut the second diamond chain using the same method and attach it to the ear. Adjusting the hemline. Cut the diamond chain into small diamonds. Apply glue to the middle of the sequin. Stick a diamond on. Using the same method to create more small decorations. The middle of the butterfly is also adorned with diamonds. The center of the petals is also adorned with diamonds. Make the decorations good, then you can easily stick it onto the skirt. This place can be freely used according to one's own ideas. So the beautiful princess dress is ready.